I had always wanted to go to Purdue. Both my parents were Purdue grads and several of my relatives. I was always very curious about how things worked, interested in organization and structure, and so I was drawn to both the theory and the practical application of the studies. The industrial technology program gave me practical problem-solving skills that helped me make an impact immediately. And these served as a good foundation for continuous learning throughout my career. When I graduated from Purdue, I started working at Eli Lilly and Company as an industrial engineer, focused on warehouse design, packaging, and process improvement. That led me into a career in supply chain management. I'm head of strategic operations in manufacturing for Moderna. I'm most proud of helping to develop, scale up, and deliver Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine during the pandemic, during a time in which my wife and I had our first child. I built a biotech supply chain to deliver 1.5 billion doses of vaccine. It's a great honor to receive this award from my alma mater, and I want to give thanks to my friends, family, and colleagues for all of the tremendous collaboration and support. Take advantage of the amazing foundational education you are gaining and find your way to make a mark in the world.